Canyon. This is the area they chose to build the Hoover Dam to harness the Colorado River and really use its water flow to create electricity. Lots of this rock you're looking at around you is lava rock. There is a dormant volcano back here, not sure. Doesn't necessarily have to have a cone shape. It could be flat, not sure which one it is, but it is millions and millions of years old. So you are now in Black Canyon. So the Hoover Dam is just up ahead on the right hand side. We are going to make a quick left right here and turn onto this Lakeview Overlook Road. This is not on your tour, ladies and gentlemen. This is your extra added bonus because Robert and Stephanie are great. I'm going to take you up to the top of this hill. We're going to get a good bird's eye view, a couple pictures of Lake Mead, and I can show you just how much the water level has gone down. Remember, I can't come to a complete stop back here without getting pulled over by the park rangers, but I'll take it nice and slow and show you what you're looking at here. Oh, right. Coming into view in front of the bus, you're going to see some islands.